Hey YouTube, Silver Hair Stacker here. It's been a while since my last video, but whatever. I haven't gone away. I do lives on Mondays and Fridays on my channel, so if you're around, drop by. We do those at 8 a.m. Central Time Zone. So, what I have here, I had a private pick in which I've already purchased a sterling silver flatware set and a nice gold ring. But what I was wanting you to help me with was give me an idea of how much I should offer for some pocket watches. So the person selling me these has inherited these several years ago from her father, who was a watch repairman and jewelry store owner in the Bethesda, Maryland area. And yeah, I picked out 12 watches here that I would like to show. And at the end of the video, you tell me how much I should make an offer for the 12 watches, and we'll see what you say. All right, be right back. Okay, the first watch is a very old coin silver key wind. You may have never seen a pocket watch with a key wind on it, but this one is that. It has no crystal, it's not running. Very interesting watch. Coin silver is probably about 90% silver. So the center portion is where you change the time, and the next key spot is how you wind the watch. And I don't know how well you can see what's written there, but yeah, 1878. That's a long time ago. That's the first watch. Second watch is a Hamilton Goldfield, not solid gold. I don't think I can get the case open on a short video, but you get the idea. And this watch is in working order. Hamilton 17 jewel. Pretty nice condition on this one. Yeah, even though it's vintage. All right, that's the second watch. Okay, the third watch is a ladies Waltham, and it's running. You can see the second hand going around. The only problem with this watch, there's no minute hand. This is gold plated and very pretty watch. The fourth watch is a Hampton Watch Company. Very nice gold-plated watch. You can see a little bit of the plating starting to wear through, but you probably would be too if you were 80 years old. And it's a screw back, and it's the General E. Stark movement, 17 jewels, and it's running. Very nice. The next watch is an Omega Geneve, and wristwatch, date from the 1970s. It has a cracked crystal, and it works some of the time. The stem is all jacked up on this. This one's going to have some work done to it, but probably still worth something to somebody. The next watch is a Waltham. Beautiful gold plated. In working condition. This is a very nice watch. All right. The 7th watch is a Gruen, very thin. So, and it's a gold plated watch in working condition, but you can see it's got some aging and some wear on it. This next watch is super interesting and could be very valuable. I've seen a watch like this on eBay sold around the $5,000 mark. This has got a skeleton back, clear crystal on the back, and you can see the symbols of the masons on the back with their different tools. Each portion of the watch movement is held in place by the different shaped symbols of the masons. And this is just a beautiful watch. It is not working at the time, but I did look and open the back, and nothing's frozen or anything. So I think this could be fixed very easily. Beautiful watch, potential for quite a lot of money. The next watch looks to be a ladies or gentlemen, I don't know. It's a small watch, gold plated, and it is an Elgin, however you say that. Let me get it open here. Well, which way are you going to open? Here we go. All right. Beautiful little watch. Hand wind. These are all hand wind. There's no automatic watches in the lot. So you can see the second hand going there. This watch is working and gold plated. Okay, watch number 10 is a Springfield, Illinois, 14 karat solid gold. I can't get the case back open with my thumbnail. Anyway, it's got the good markings for 14 karat gold. And I've had conflicting reports on how much gold, actual gold value is in a gold case of a pocket watch. And I've heard reports from different people saying from 25% of the weight of the watch up to 40% of the weight of the watch is actual gold weight. So let's just weigh it here. I got my scales out. This watch weighs 56.8 grams. So it's about 1 2/3 ounce. So if it is 25% gold, then you got 25% of 56.9 and 14 karat gold. Anyway, it's a 17 jewel watch and it's not running at the moment, so it's going to have repairs. Okay, watch number 11 is a Waltham. This is a very interesting watch case. It has the hinge that pulls it out. You can see the movement going there, so it's working. This is a 14 karat solid gold, white gold watch in working condition. Let's check the weight on it. And what is, hurry up and go to 0. 61.7 grams. If 25% of that is 14 karat gold, probably looking about $600, $650 worth of gold right there. Waltham. The case is Elgin, but the watch movement is Waltham. So it's funny how used to be you could take the movement from one watch and put it into the case of another watch, and they would fit perfectly in a lot of cases. So there you go. Solid gold watch. Working. And the last watch is a Gruen solid gold 14 karat, and it is running. I need to wind it a little more, I guess. Or it was running. Give it a little shake. Well, okay, here we go. You can see the second hand moving now. Interesting watch. And it does have a monogram on the back and an inscription on the inside. This was gifted to somebody by their employees in 1919, a Mr. Douglas. And let's see if I can get the, there we go. Beautiful. You get the exterior case and then the inscription inside. And you may be able to just pick out 14 karat gold. It's a very Gruen, very thin. Beautiful watch. Must be nice to have employees that would give you a gold watch. Anyway, that's the 12 watches. Let's check the weight on this one. And we're at 51.4 grams on it. And so 1/4 of that value is 14 karat gold. That would put this watch gold value at about $500–600 again. So I don't know if you can hear it raining. It's raining right now. Tornadoes in the vicinity also. Anyway, 17 jewel running. It's a beautiful watch. Anyway, y'all help me make up my mind. What should my offer be for these 12 watches? They're all beautiful. I picked these 12. There were several other watches that I just, I don't want them. They're not working or not that fancy, and none of those are gold, so I don't think I want to make an offer on those. But for these 12, what should my offer be? I figure we're at least $1,500 worth of gold. And then there's the watch values on top of that. So let me know in the comments below. What do you think? What would you do? I mean, assuming you have the money. If you don't have the money to make a $1,000–2,000 purchase, then you wouldn't even think about doing something like this. But if you know anything about pocket watches, let me know. Tell me what your thoughts are. All right, this is your Silver Hair Stacker saying good luck, God bless. Thanks for watching. Yeah, sorry it's been so long between videos. But this is what I do. I buy stuff and I resell it on eBay, make some money, pad my retirement income, and take the little wife on vacations once in a while, have a nice Christmas, and try to keep up with this incessant inflation that the idiots in government have us going through right now. So anyway, we'll talk to you on the next video. Maybe I'll tell you how much I offered for it. But I'm kind of broke right now. It may be 2 or 3 months before I put out a, I will try to do a follow-up video for this, because this is a spectacular bunch of watches to sell. All right, see y'all later. Bye.